Today, the red-eared slider Terra and his sibling eat normally and have no shell rot. Terra is on the left, resting on artificial leaves. There is new filtration system, spacious floating platform and bigger tank. The tank measures 60 by 30 by 36 cm with clean water due to the filtration system, deeper water for them to swim around and sufficient basking platform for them to sunbathe. As of 1st June 2022, Terra is healthy now. He is actively swimming, basking on the bigger platform, eats a lot. No shell rot and swollen eyes now. The owner is happy. However, 5 months ago, Terra was anorexic, had swollen eyes and shell rot. 5 months ago, their housing is a cluttered shallow plastic container. Owner worries that the slider may climb out if there is more water. This used to be their sunbathing container cum carrier. So, how does Terra look like 5 months ago? This is a Be Kind to Pets veterinary educational video sponsored by Toa Payoh Vets. Title of this video is A Red-eared Slider with Swollen Eyes Stopped Eating for Many Days. What to do? Veterinary Stories by Dr. Sin Kong Yuan based on one of his interesting cases. Around 80% of the population in Singapore live in apartments. Red-eared sliders are popular pets as they take up little space in flats. The owner stays in Sengkang. Sengkang is situated in the northeast of Singapore. From the original fishing village, once called Kangka, it has transformed into a mature housing estate with convenient modes of transport such as Sengkang Bus Terminal, MRT, and even Light Rail Transit, LRT. The LRT line, operated by SBS Transit, is 10.7 kilometers long. It consists of 14 stations that runs through both the East and West Loop. It is fully automated and elevated, which connects residents from the suburbs of Sengkang to Sengkang Town Centre. 5 months ago, red-eared slider, male, 8 months old Terra is sick. He has swollen eyes, shell rot, and no appetite for many days. The following images show other sliders from comparison to Terra's condition. No shell rot. Eyes are swollen. Eyes are not swollen. Causes for Terra's condition could be due to: Number 1. Hygiene of the water inside the tank. Number 2. Insufficient basking place. And Number 3. Lacking vitamin A. Dr. Sin Kong Yuan advises owner to inpatient Terra. It is extremely difficult for majority of the first-time nursing owners to get the slider to open its mouth to take medication. The owner prefers and wanted to do it herself instead. The following videos are from the owner's home video to Dr. Sin Kong Yuan for advice.
Hi, I tried to feed the antibiotics to Terra. Well, this is Terra. He did open his mouth, but I'm not sure if any of the antibiotics did manage to get into his mouth. I also tried to feed the multivites to him, but I'm not sure if how much of it could get in. Right now I put Terra in the water, but I'm quite worried. Terra seems to be just not moving and just floating on the water. And I put 5 pellets and he's also not interested. I'm not sure how. Any advice?
What happened next? To be continued.